The Clean Air Act has imposed so many regulations on business owners like those who are contributing to my campaign behind me. The EPA's own estimate is that the cost from its onset through the year 2020 will be about $65 billion job-killing dollars.
There certainly have been costs with complying with Clean Air Act regulations. However, the estimated health benefits are over $2 trillion from the onset through the year 2020. This includes the prevention of over 200,000 premature deaths, 200,000 heart attacks, 120,000 emergency room visits, the worsening of over 2 million asthma cases, and the prevention of 75,000 cases of chronic bronchitis. So while there have been costs, the benefits, including the health benefits, have been simply enormous, far outweighing these costs. And in some analyses, that the implementation of new regulations also then creates jobs for more efficient equipment, etc., and that in many cases actually more jobs are created than are lost.